Microsoft has been working on new capabilities and enhancements for Windows Millennium Edition that let PC manufacturers design machines that are easier to use and more responsive. Let's take a closer look at some of these Millennium-enabled technologies. Have you ever wrestled with setting up new hardware, or tried to make sense of all the different types of ports on the back of your PC? Microsoft and PC manufacturers are working to improve the overall PC experience and make the PC easier to expand, use, and maintain. The first step in this long-term process is utilizing modern hardware. Many PC manufacturers are incorporating faster, more reliable USB ports instead of serial ports or PCI slots. Windows ME delivers improved USB support, making it easier to expand the capabilities of the PC. With USB, you can easily use many types of devices by just plugging them in. Devices like scanners, printers, cameras, and so on. IEEE 1394, also known as FireWire, is another type of faster, more reliable connection technology that is used to interconnect consumer electronic devices such as digital video cameras. 1394 is the essential connection for getting the most out of Windows ME and future consumer Windows digital media features. In the area of networking technology, Windows ME provides support for Universal Plug and Play, or UPnP, the next generation of smart networking devices. UPnP will enable seamless peer network connectivity, where devices can dynamically join and participate in a networked environment. When UPnP devices ship, Windows ME will be ready. You can learn more about UPnP at www.upnp.com. One of the most frequently requested features from customers is fast system startup. Windows ME has taken steps towards helping OEMs build faster booting systems. With the right hardware and BIOS, a fast boot Windows ME PC can become usable within 20 seconds of powering on or within 15 seconds of resuming from hibernate. You can read more about this at www.microsoft.com/hwdev/newpc/fastboot.htm. A Windows ME PC that supports Hibernate offers increased responsiveness and convenience. When you choose Hibernate from the shutdown menu, Windows ME takes a snapshot of the current state of the PC, saves the snapshot to the hard disk, and quickly powers off. The snapshot captures your working state, including which applications and documents were open. When the PC is restarted, the PC responds faster than if it were powered off using the standard shutdown mode, and it restores the PC to the previous state. In this short overview, you've learned about some of the technologies and capabilities enabled by Windows ME. These advancements reflect Microsoft's commitment to an improved user experience and will help PC manufacturers build machines that are more responsive and easier to use.